The obvious solution is to try to minimise the number of distributions that go to the at-risk beneficiary. Now, that's obviously a lot easier said than done. Particularly from a tax perspective, there's a bias towards making sure that the income does flow out, particularly to a beneficiary if there's a capital gain to be distributed. Leaving that to one side, if there are other ways to manage it, the biggest one that I guess is seen in practice is making sure that the recipient beneficiary is themselves not exposed. So a classic example would be perhaps using a corporate beneficiary or a company as the recipient. But even in that scenario, it's important to remember that the ownership of the shares in that company is going to be vital. So you don't want to create a situation where even though the beneficiary exposed doesn't directly have the asset or the income distributed to them, if they are the shareholder of a company, which is the recipient beneficiary, the risk is that they are in just as exposed a position as they would have otherwise have been.